Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday held a review meeting with officials of West Garo Hills District Administration and officials of Health Department at DC Office Tura. The rising cases of COVID in West Garo Hills was discussed during the meeting. Officials of Health Department briefed the Chief Minister on the additional health infrastructure and manpower requirement to deal with COVID management in the district. Chief Minister informed that officials from Directorate of Health will visit Garo Hills to oversee the health infrastructure requirement and ensure necessary infrastructure is made available at the district. It is to be noted that 10-day total curfew and lockdown has been imposed in West Garo Hills from Friday till June 1st, 5 a.m.
Are basically under oxygen support. So, moment we reach a little bit saturation, near saturation, we will be sending taking over. So, I request locality people to ensure that these daily agents, they were all tested. If there is any issue, we can test them again. So, these daily vigils, they should